literally just came back on. There's a marked lanes. 1619 page traffic stop. John Mary Zebra 2855. John Mary Zebra 2855. Signature Square, Medina Road. I'll take a 10. Hello.
Hi.
Officer Harvey, it's Montville PD.
I was trying to find my friend.
You're trying to find your friend?
Yeah. Here's
Okay.
my license.
Okay.
My registration.
So you know why I'm stopping you?
No.
Because you stayed at a green light for quite a while.
Sorry.
And then also I was driving behind you and your license plate light was out, but then you hit a bump and it came back on.
Oh.
And then just coming up here, you went out of your lane to the right.
Yeah,
so I just wanted to make sure you're okay.
Should be.
All right, I'm gonna set these up here.
Oh, here's my registration right here.
This one looks expired. I don't need your registration. That's okay. Just insurance card will do.
Sorry.
And this one expired just at the beginning of last month, which is not a huge deal.
Oh.
So we're just gonna leave that right up here.
Sorry.
Where are you coming from?
No, I'm coming Thursday. I'm going to my friend's house.
Okay. Where do they live at?
Just off of Eastern Road.
Off of Eastern?
Yeah.
Oh, like way out there.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. How much have you had to drink tonight?
Just one drink.
Just one drink? Oh, okay. When was that?
Probably like an hour ago.
Okay.
Here's that.
Okay. Yeah, I told you I didn't need your registration or any of this
Yeah.
information. So one drink about an hour ago?
One drink an hour ago, yeah.
Okay. All right. I know it's gonna seem like a silly question, but do you know your alphabet?
A, B, C, D.
Hold on. I just asked if you know it.
Yeah, I
Okay.
do.
Can you recite it from E to T for me, please?
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P.
Okay. And can you count backwards from 63 to 49 for me, please?
64, 65, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84.
Okay. Do me a favor. I'll be right back with you. Okay. Hang tight.
Thank you.
She's hammered. I asked her her alphabet, and she immediately starts saying, "I'm like, no, from E to T." She goes E, F, G, and goes all the way up to W. I asked her to count backwards from 63 to 49 for me. She goes 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. I could smell the alcohol from the back of the car. So, if you need to go,
yeah,
get your stuff. Yeah, and then
yeah.
Andrew's right here.
Okay,
or
perfect.
somebody.
I just wanted to make sure
No.
because I was right here. So
Appreciate it, man. Thanks.
So yeah, no problem.
Just wait. He's gonna leave. If you want to pull up. She's ripped.
Really?
Yeah. She sat at the green light at 1871, and like 4 different 5 cars passed her.
Nice.
So I was waiting for her to go and to go and to go and to go. She wouldn't go. So finally I pulled out to make the loop because I just pulled into like Wendy's to turn around, and I pulled around to make the loop, and then she started going like shit. So I pulled in True North, came back out, go by her. She didn't have a plate light. She hit a bump and then it came back on. I'm like, ah. Well, then she goes here, goes right, takes marked lanes. I could smell it from like right behind the car. When I called for a 10, I wasn't even up. I didn't even contact her yet. I asked her to do her alphabet, and she immediately starts doing the alphabet. And I said no, from E to T. I know you don't need to know all this, but it's just This is how like she goes from E to like W. And I asked her to count backwards from 63 to 49. She goes 63 and starts counting up all the way to 80.
Oh jeez.
So,
Nice.
Yeah. So I'm gonna obviously pull her out,
510
and we'll go from there. All right, Miss. I'm gonna have you step out to do few field sobriety tests. That way we can get you all into your friend's house. Okay?
Yeah,
Appreciate you.
absolutely.
Okay. And just step back to the front of my car for me.
All right. You want like?
Nope. Yeah, just right there, like right by the. Yep, that's fine. That's fine right there. Okay. Do you have anything wrong with your eyes?
No.
Are you other than glasses? You wear anything?
Just
just the glasses?
Yeah.
Just relax. Put your hands down by your side for me. I'll tell you everything that you need to do for me. Okay.
All right.
In fact, just for this part right now, we're gonna move off of the road just a little bit further, just right over here. That way. All right. Perfect. Do you mind just taking your glasses off for me? Perfect. You want to hold on? You put them in your hoodie pocket.
See.
You'll be able to see what I need you to see for for this part of it, okay?
Should I just look at?
Nope. Just stand with your feet together and your hands down by your sides for me, okay? What I'm going to do is an eye test, okay? I'm going to pass. Can my partner go turn your four-ways off?
If they.
Yeah, they'll probably be up because I don't want you being distracted by it. Is it okay if he turns them off real quick? All right.
Yeah. My friend that was in my car though has an open drink.
Yeah, I
so-
saw that back there.
Yeah.
Unfortunately. Yeah.
Yeah. So that could get me in trouble, but.
Yeah, it could. Well, we'll take it one step at a time,
Yeah.
okay?
Yeah.
All right. There we go. That way you're not being distracted by that light, okay? So what I'm going to do is an eye test, okay? I'm going to pass my pen back and forth in front of your face.
Okay.
I want you to follow the tip of my pen where my finger's at, okay? With your eyes only, and don't move your head, okay? Keep following it until I tell you to stop. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, you see it up there? All right, just keep following it until I tell you to stop. Okay, now I'm going to go up. Just follow it up, okay? Look straight at me. There you go. Look at my finger. And just follow it up, okay? Okay. Do you have anything wrong with your feet, knees, ankles, back, anything like that?
I have shaky ankles. So
Shaky ankles?
Basketball.
Okay, so it's not a technical term.
No,
it's
not
gotcha.
technical, but
okay, just from
yeah.
basketball.
Yeah.
Okay, so does it keep?
I'm gonna park in the parking lot for my friend to come pick me
Okay,
up.
does it keep you from walking like a normal person?
I don't think so.
No? Okay. All right. Do me a favor and just take. Just come stand right.
Yeah. So
Actually, we're gonna hold on. We're gonna come.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll come back up here for right now. Okay. Just go ahead and stand on this line for me, and face your car. Okay. I'm gonna give you a series of instructions. I don't want you to start them until I tell you to. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. What I'm gonna have you do when I tell you to is, for right now, what I want you to do is I want you to place your left foot on that line for me. Okay. There you go. Now place your left foot. Yep. There you go.
This
Yep.
is my
Yep.
left- yeah.
Yep. And then place your right foot ahead of your left foot, heel to toe for me. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Hold that position. Keep your hands down by your sides.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you another series of instructions. Don't start until I tell you to. Do you understand? I'm gonna give you another series of instructions. Don't start until I tell you to.
nodded,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Well, I can't see you because I'm looking down here.
All
Okay.
right.
So what I'm gonna have you do when I tell you to is you're gonna take 9 heel to toe steps down that line. Turn around using a series of small steps and then 9 steps back. It's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 total steps.
Okay. So.
I only took 3. You're gonna take 9.
Oh,
Okay.
So I keep
You
going
take 9 steps. Yep, I only took 3 because I'm going to go out on the roadway and I don't want to do that.
All
Okay?
right.
But without stopping, keep that front foot planted. Turn just like I did here with short, choppy steps. And then 9 steps back.
9, then turn around.
Yep. And turn around like I showed you. 9 steps down, 9 steps back. Hold on. While you're doing this, keep looking down at your feet. Keep your hands down by your sides.
So I look at my feet.
Yeah, while you're walking, you're going to look down at your feet.
This
You're-
is not what like your friends prepare you for like the drunk test.
No, not at all. Keep your hold on. Don't start until I tell you to, okay? So you're going to keep your hands down by your sides. You're going to keep looking at your feet. You're going to count your steps out loud, and don't stop the test until you finish. Do you understand? Okay, give me 1 second. You got it, thanks. All right, go ahead and begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Offline,
8.
offline. Not heel toe. Turn like I showed you, then 9 steps back.
1, 2,
Offline.
3,
Not heel toe. Offline.
4, 5,
Offline.
6, 7,
Not heel toe.
8.
Offline. Not heel toe. Okay. And then this one we can come back just right here for us. This way. I wanted to use the line to give you.
I was trying to turn to the parking lot so my friend could.
I gotcha. Go ahead and stand right here for me. All right, so just turn and face me again. Last test, all right? I want to have you do when I tell you to. Don't start until I tell you to. You're going to take either foot, your left or your right, up off the ground about 6 inches, okay? You're going to look down at that raised foot, and you're going to count out loud by 1,000s. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, and so on until I tell you to stop, okay? I'm going to demonstrate it for you so you know exactly what to do, all right?
Okay.
So you're going to pick either foot, it doesn't matter. You're going to pick it up off the ground, look down at that raised foot, and count out loud by 1,000s. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, and so on until I tell you to stop. Keep both hands down by your sides. Keep looking at that raised foot, and both your legs need to be completely straight. Do you understand all of that?
Yeah.
Okay, give me 1 second. I'll tell you when to begin. All right, you can go ahead and begin whenever you're ready.
1,001, 1,002, 1,003.
Drop. Pick it up and continue from. If drop it, just pick it up from where you left off at.
1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010, 1,011, 1,012.
Okay, you can go ahead and stop. All right. So how much did you say you had to drink tonight?
A little bit. I was just trying to get into the next parking lot so my friend can pick me up.
Sure. What's a little bit to you? It might be different for me.
Probably 3 drinks.
3 drinks? Okay. When did you start drinking?
11:30.
11:30. Do you know what time it is right now?
No.
Take a guess?
Probably 2.
2? Okay. Do me a favor and go ahead and turn around for me. Place your hands behind your back. All right. Hands together like you're praying. There you go. All right, right now you're being placed under arrest for operating a vehicle impaired. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. You have the right to an attorney. If you get out before an attorney, want to be provided to represent you without cost to you. Do you understand? Yes? Okay. Hold on 1 second. I want to.
Sorry.
No, you're okay. You're all right. I just want to make sure they don't cinch up on you when you sit down in the back of our car. So we have. It's not the registered owner, but she doesn't have any priors.
No, it's my mom.
So here's the deal, okay? We have a couple options for your car. All right. A couple options are: one, we can pull it into the parking lot up here and secure it in the parking lot. That way we don't have to tow it, or we can have it towed.
Please.
Please pull it over. Okay. All right, so here's what I want to tell you, okay? This is obviously the situation that we're in is serious, okay? But as long as you don't...
Yeah, my friend that I brought had an open container.
Okay. Okay. Well, that's not the only reason, okay? So that's not the only reason that we're in this situation, all right? But what I will say too is as long as you don't go all crazy on us and start fighting us. I didn't think you would, but I like to say this to people, okay? So as long as you don't go all crazy and fight us, and as long as we can give you to someone who is sober tonight, you'll have someone sober that can come pick you up, then you're not going to go to jail.
Alexis
Okay.
is on my phone.
We will grab your phone and and is there a person there you might want out of there?
There's a phone and a wallet.
Okay.
It's like a square thing.
Okay, so we'll do that. All right, we'll grab those out of there for you. So as long as you have someone that's sober that can come get you. How old are you?
I'm 22.
Okay, we don't need to call your mom. You're 18 years old. Unless your mom is going to come pick you up, we don't need to call her. Okay? Because that's the thing is, like, I have to be able to give you to someone who's sober. Can you let me talk? Can you talk to me? Can you let me talk first? Okay, let me talk.
Sorry.
As long as we have someone sober that we can give you to, you're not going to go to jail. Okay?
No, my mom's just. My mom's
I get it. I get it. My mom wouldn't come pick me up.
I'm so scared of
I'm gonna
her.
have you have a seat in the back of my car right now.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have anything?
No, I don't have. I might have a puffer. If I could hit it, that'd be cool.
Unfortunately not. Here, why don't you come back over here for me? Oh, careful.
Oh no, I got it. Oh.
All right. Just have a seat there. And with these cool little.
Do you want me to
just sit straight in like normal. It's a reverse seat belt.
Okay.
I was gonna say it's a kind of a cool little thing. This way I don't have to reach all the way across here,
if
right?
you can grab my. You guys can keep my phone, but if I can have my phone so I can keep my.
We're gonna grab your phone, so you'll be able to do that, and then we'll also is there a person there that you might want to get out of there?
Just my phone. My friend had the open container, and she went home with somebody else.
Okay.
And,
All right. Well, we'll look for that. Anything that we think you might need, we'll just grab out for you. Okay.
Can this one you just lose, like just this side?
Which one?
This side.
Well, this is a very vague.
The one I'm shaking.
What side is that?
The
What hand is that?
right side.
Yeah. I was just making sure. All right, there you go.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Yeah, sometimes
okay.
when you sit down, they get a little uncomfortable. All right, hang tight for me real quick, and we'll be right back, okay? All right.
I am buckling.
It's the next sobriety test. You gotta try to unbuckle it.
No, I was going to, but I was a little bit nervous.
Hang tight. There we go.
Where's your buddy? Sorry.
He's inside. He's grabbing some paperwork for us.
No, I was mean to him.
You weren't mean to him. You're all
I was mean
right.
to him.
Excuse me real quick.
How many times have...
Well, this way people can't run on it, right? All right, we're gonna walk over to that green bench. Don't sit down just yet. I'll take those cuffs off you, okay?
Don't sit down.
Yeah, don't just yet, because we'll take these cuffs off and then you can sit down. Unless you want to keep them on. I mean, I know they're pretty. I know they're pretty,
No,
but
they're tight.
if you let me take them off, they're not gonna hurt as much. Okay. Here.
They just
Should-
are tight.
Yeah, that one kind of you set back on it doesn't help. They're unfortunately not made for
Sit
comfort.
back on it.
These ones don't have that comfortable fur or anything on them. So, all right, go ahead and just have a seat for me, okay?
Do you want me to like step in front of it? Or?
Yeah, that's fine. Yep, sit down. We'll be here a minute so you can get comfortable.
Oh.
Oh, you know what? I forgot my.
Hours, bestie.
No, not that long. All right.
Thank you, guys.
Oh yeah.
I shouldn't have waited with my friend either.
Should have just.
Should have stayed where I was.
Should have gotten an Uber.
Or an Uber.
Mm-hmm.
Should have just not went down the road.
Mm-hmm.
Got it.
Shouldn't have stayed.
Never again will I ever.
Well, I hope so. That's
No,
that's the hope. That's the hope with all of
Are you
this.
gonna call my mommy?
No,
Yeah,
that's the hope with all this is that you don't.
Call my mommy.
You call my mommy. At least you're not calling for your mom.
No, I don't
You know,
want my mom.
those-
My mom's a fucking
Those 20-some-year-old people who are like.
My mom is terrifying. I'd rather stay in jail than have my mom here.
That is a lot of legal terms.
I know.
For
If I blow over right now, which I will, are you gonna take my license away?
it's a 90-day suspension. If you refuse to take the breath test, it's an entire year.
I'm not gonna do that, but so it's 90 days if I blow over.
Correct. You'll be able to apply for driving privileges at your initial appearance.
And my mom won't have to know, it'll go to me.
Mm-hmm. Do you live with your mom?
Yes.
Well, then I would just be like Johnny on the spot with getting in your mail.
I can't, I have to work.
No. But they'll.
Would it be directed to me, like face screen? It wouldn't be directed to Catherine Haynes?
Nope. It'll be to you. Yep.
All right.
Okay. We good? Any questions?
All right, Faith, you want to come over here for me? I'll explain this to you. Let's have you stand right there for me.
Okay. Didn't know if you want me to
No,
say
no, you're okay.
line or...
So let me explain this to you, okay?
Yeah.
So let's see if I can open this.
I think I can figure it out. You just blow into the thing.
Yep.
Yeah.
I just want to explain it to you so you're aware, okay? So what you'll do, when I tell you to, is you'll take a very, very deep breath.
Okay.
You'll seal your lips around that little nozzle, and then exhale all of that air, okay? It's going to be a long, very long, steady breath. Just wait. Oh, not tight when I wait till I tell you to, okay?
Sorry, I didn't know.
It's okay, just the machine's got to do a few things here, okay? So the big thing is, like I said, make sure it's a deep breath, and then let all that air out.
Yeah.
Don't stop blowing, because then it'll screw up the machine, and you don't want to go through any of that,
No,
okay?
I don't.
So right now what it's doing is it's getting rid of all of the air in the machine, so the only air that's going to be in the machine is going to be from you. Just hold on one second, okay? Got to do a few things.
And after this, I can hit my puffer.
It's up to my partner.
Ah, just a puffer.
He's the
It's not
boss.
even weed, nothing. It's just nicotine.
Let's get this done first, okay?
Fine.
We can't let you put anything in your mouth until you do this. So.
I know.
Alright, so do you want to take a breath test? Okay. Remember, deep breath and then seal your lips and blow, okay? Keep going. Keep going. Blow, blow out, blow out.
On.
Blow out.
Stop and take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in. So your lips to the end, hard steady breath out. You're not blowing out at all. So there's gonna be a steady test. There's gonna be a steady tone when you go to blow. Take a deep breath in.
And then blow down the nozzle.
You're not even
You're not
blowing at all.
blowing. There you
There
go.
you go, just
Keep
like
going.
that.
Nope, keep going just like that. Keep blowing, keep blowing, keep blowing, keep blowing, keep
Just
blowing.
like that. Just
keep
it's gonna
blowing,
feel like
keep
you got
blowing.
nothing left. You just gotta keep pushing out. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Let's see if it took it. It may or may not have taken
Alright, I think it did.
it. Okay.
You can go sit down for us, okay?
Don't I have my puffer though?
Give us 1 second.
Puffer before then?
I don't know what is taking so long.
Yeah.
Oh, alright.
I'm just wondering. The last one goes higher than that.
Which one?
The last one that I saw on there.
Probably wait just a little bit.
Beautiful. Okay. Legal limit in Ohio, what is it?
Huh?
Do you know what the legal limit is?
0.08.
Okay. You tested a .232. That's almost 3 times the
Yeah.
legal limit, right?
Yeah.
Your copy of the thing that says how high you blew, right there. A little souvenir for you.
Love it.
Take it for the open container. Take it for your citation. Court date's up here at the top. Here, all the way through the left top.
2:15.
Okay.
Can I put it in my calendar?
You can put it in your calendar when you get in your car. This is a copy of that
Alright,
form
fine.
that I had you sign. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, so we don't lose stuff, because drunk people have
Are
a
you
habit
going
of
to be
losing
there
things.
when I get this?
Not on this date, but if you choose to exercise your rights and contest the charges, then yes, I will be there every single
What if
time.
I be like, he was nice to me?
I'll do the same thing in my report. You take these, okay, and we'll
Thank
walk
you.
out and we're gonna see your dad.
Hang on.
No hugs. Come on.
Come on.
Nope. Come on.
Come on.
Let's go. No. Come on. Come on. I can put you back in cuffs. It makes it feel better.
Oh my God. Don't tease.
Okay. Well, I'm not teasing. I'm being serious.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Actually.
You could have been a lot harder.
Thank you, actually.
Could have been a lot harder, but.
He was worried for a second.
There we go. All right, you can hop in. I'm gonna go talk to your dad, grab his information real quick, and we're gonna get out of here. Because we got another one coming in. No, I told you no hugs. Go on.
Come on.
I'm serious. Go.
Shake
Go.
hand?
Yes, that I will do.
Thank
okay.
you.
Good luck, okay?
Thank you.
You're responsible for it? Here's your keys. Do you have a driver's license on you real quick?
I don't.
You don't? That's okay. I'll take the
have
information.
left.
No big deal.
You
Hey.
want my social?
Yeah, we'll get it. Hold on
Oh,
a second.
sorry.
No, you're fine. You're
I
fine.
got a picture of it on my phone.
Oh, geez, I'm dropping stuff. No, you're fine.
All right,
You're all set. Yep, take care. That's hers.
That
That's
has to go
hers.
to my mom.
Yeah. It's not impounded or anything like that, but I'm just
No,
so
they
you're.
put it in the.
I just hand it to you because you're responsible for her and all that kind of stuff. So,
All right,
all right.
thank you
Appreciate
very
you.
much.
Take care. Yep. All right, on.